Most parts will be placed by fast and accurate pick-and-place machines. Process Prep supports all the common machines we see in the market. However, Process Prep does not just provide placement information to the pick-and-place machines, but it also manages the part and package data that is critical to accurate placement programs. Where other solutions push part data management to the machine vendor, providing no link across the different vendor platforms, Process Prep provides the backbone of part data management for most pick-and-place machines. The virtual sticky tape increases line utilization by validating the placement position and orientation of every part before it hits the line. As more assemblers are running lower batches and higher mix, the changeover time becomes the bottleneck to increasing line utilization. Although most parts can be automatically placed, some still need to be manually placed. The manual assembly analysis assigns these manual parts to the correct station. This then feeds into the documentation to automatically create work instructions. Process Prep uses a template-based documentation creation solution to automate work instructions. The template provides a framework of the pages to create and their format. The template provides a consistent layout for each page that can then create design-specific documentation automatically. Intelligent pictures of the board, color-coded tables, images, and hyperlinks can all be incorporated into the final documentation. Once complete, an intelligent read-only output can then be shared to enable a paperless shop floor.